How to delete a post on a Facebook page. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now on the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, scroll down and go over to the post you want to delete. Tap on the three dots above the post. Now, tap on Move to Bin. Tap on Move again to confirm. Items in your bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. The post has now been successfully moved to your recycle bin. This way, you have more control on what you want to have on your Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily delete a post on a Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.